Hello. So today I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page. So you're going to come over to your Facebook account. You're going to scroll down to where it says pages on the left, and then you're going to click on create new page. You're going to need to do a page name, which is going to line up with your brand name. So I'm going to call this Fire Yoga. Category, education. Choose a category that's appropriate to what your brand does. We are a yoga brand based around recognizing your personal power. So you're going to come over here and click create page. We'll say page created. Now you're going to want to add a profile picture. In this case, I'm going to go to Parcels, upload the profile picture. So there's that. For the background, I'm going to use Canva. So you can come over to Canva and you can type in Facebook cover. So it's going to show you the dimensions of the 1640 times 924 pixels. So if you're using a designer, then you can use those dimensions. So I like this one, so I'm just going to use this, download, upload photo. You're going to want to create a username. It needs to be something that's available. That gives you the basics